Hello, people. When I set up this channel, it was for the main reason being I wanted to sit and chat with you folks. Yeah, that was my thing. That I sometimes you just miss human interaction probably, and that's what I set up this channel in December of 2017. So I was just coming out of this whole phase of my life that was very crazy. So then when I set up my channel, I just wanted to sit and chat, and that's what I intend to do also. But of course, of what I've seen is the videos that are about restaurants and things like that, those tend to do well. So that's why, and travel videos do well. So this Friday, hopefully, I'll be like, let's see. I'll again be, the Hyderabad Travel Diaries. I'm planning to go with them, and let's see. It's that's what these travel videos are fun to watch, right? So that's what I'll be doing. And I was watching this movie Mimi, so I'll finish watching it and then I'll post a review. So it's already a 1 minute video. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.